Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stream on YouTube from iPad while playing the games. So for this, we will use a Prism Live application. So first thing you have to hit on App Store and here search for Prism Live. Just download it and tap on open. Here you will see the sign up screen. I will sign up with Google. So I will tap on Google. Here you will see the list of Google account. So I will select my account, continue, and here you go. So here you have three options: screen, camera, and VTuber. If you are going to stream on YouTube while playing the games like PUBG or any game, so you have to tap on screen. The next step is if you tap on this live button here, it will give you some options like if you want to stream on Facebook, YouTube, or there are a bunch of other applications as well. So I will select here YouTube and then I will tap on connect YouTube. Then I will click continue. So here you have to sign in on a particular YouTube channel where you have to stream or where you want to go live on YouTube. So I will select my YouTube account, which is also a Google account as well, and I will just simply sign in. Again, I will select my account and tap on continue. So here you go. Now, as you can see here at the bottom, my channel name and the default title is appearing over there. With the free version, you can only stream up to 720p. If you want to change the channel, all you need to do is just tap on my channels and click on this plus button and connect another channel. So here we have to write the title. So what I will do, I will write the title. Simply just copy this title and paste into the description as well. Or if you want to write the description, you can use the Copilot and it will give you a brief description for your YouTube video. Next step is upload the thumbnail. We have to click on tap and here we will choose the thumbnail of our live streaming. Tap on done and then click on save. Now on other hand, you have to first open the game. So as you can see now the game is playing now. Now we will go back to the Prism Live and here you can see this yellow button is blinking with the red light. That means once we tap on it, the live broadcast will start. So we will click live and then start broadcast. Once this red screen recording button comes up, so that means that you are live on YouTube. So we will go to the game and then we can start playing. So now to verify, just quickly open the YouTube and I will show you. I will search my channel and here you can see now it's showing here live. So as you can see here now I'm playing the game here and this is already live on my YouTube channel as well. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.